The XRP ETF revolution is accelerating faster than anyone predicted. Within just 1 week of the first XRP ETF launch, two major asset managers, Bitwise and Grayscale, have officially confirmed their spot XRP ETFs are hitting the market immediately. This creates an incredible sequence of events. Following Canary Capital's debut last week, Bitwise announced its XRP ETF began trading yesterday, November 20th, on the New York Stock Exchange. This makes Bitwise the second XRP ETF to launch, and notably, they were actually the first company to file for a spot XRP ETF in the United States. But here's what makes Bitwise's approach particularly strategic. While the fund carries a 0.34% management fee, Bitwise has waived this fee for the first month on up to $500 million in assets. This creates an immediate competitive advantage to attract early investors. Therefore, we're seeing a calculated rollout. Bitwise clearly outlined why XRP stands out, highlighting its long-running blockchain, position as the third largest non-stablecoin crypto, and its fast, low-cost transaction capabilities. This educational approach helps justify the ETF to traditional investors. Meanwhile, Grayscale confirmed its converted spot XRP ETF will debut next week on November 24th. Bloomberg ETF analyst James Seifert has verified this timeline, adding that Franklin Templeton may launch its XRP ETF on the same day. 21 shares is expected to follow by November 27th. The timing creates a powerful domino effect. With multiple major institutions entering simultaneously, they collectively validate XRP's investment case to the mainstream financial world. The early success of Canary's ETF, which accumulated nearly $300 million in assets in its first week, sets a strong precedent. The key insight is that we're witnessing institutional adoption at an unprecedented pace. Rather than waiting months between launches, the XRP ETF market is developing in weeks, creating compounded legitimacy and potentially accelerating institutional inflows that could fundamentally change XRP's market structure.